Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we're going to see some Gmail shortcuts. Over here are 25 Gmail shortcuts. So let's get started. Compose a new email '(C). Reply to an email under '(R). Reply all in thread under '(A). Forward an email under '(F). Open an email conversation under '(Enter). Close the email you are viewing under '(EXE). Delete an email '#Shift+3. Mark email as read +I. Mark email as unread +U. Open next email in inbox K. Open previous email in inbox J. Move to a specific folder V. Archive an email E. Search for emails / Start Google Meet call G then M. Open settings gear icon then S. Add attachments Ctrl+Shift+A. Open Gmail chat G then C. Refresh inbox G then I. Select all in folder Shift+8. Next conversation N. Previous conversation P. Add label to email L. Canned response reply Ctrl+Shift+5. Go to inbox from anywhere G then T. Over here are some of the important tips which you should remember. Make sure keyboard shortcuts are enabled in Gmail settings. Go to settings, gear icon, see all settings. Under general, find keyboard shortcuts. Select keyboard shortcuts on and save change. I hope you liked the video. Don't miss out. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.